The colour of sound. Here at the Radioscience Research Laboratory, scientists are starting to unlock the secret relationship between light and sound. Light consists of a set of frequencies. Sound also consists of another set of frequencies. There are 7 colours in the visible spectrum. And there are 7 notes in a primary scale. This chart, measured in nanometers, mathematically demonstrates the relationship between sound and light. If we imagine the highest note sung by an opera singer, then the equivalent wavelength in light would be in the region of an incredible 42 octaves higher. Our scientists, by a process of informed reduction, have mapped a direct correlation between the colours of the rainbow and the notes on a piano. And here it is, the musical spectrum. Here is the sound of science red, yellow, and green. Back in 1806, Christian Schubert recognized that certain musical keys evoke specific responses and moods. D. Celebration. B. Passion. G. Nature. And, in turn, these emotions can be related to color. Using a simple triad block extrapolation technique, Tibet, we arrive at the sonochromic formula. This formula provides the crucial link between science and emotion. The third note on the science red scale leads us directly to the root note of emotional red. Yellow and green on the science scale share similar relationships. In conclusion, we find the related musical key of the colour red is B, hot, passionate. Yellow resonates in the key of D, joyous and uplifting. Green is in the key of G, the sound of nature itself.